Yep. Yep. Now listen.
Gotta hold it still though.
Oh, you can go around. Do a pan shot round like that. Great stuff. You'll be famous.
What's the economy like on these things?
About the same as a 500 quad. Like I've heard some people doing 140 k's out of a tank. Like you wouldn't chew up a tank in a day, no way. Like unless you're in it at 6 in the morning and at 8 o'clock at night. This carburetor, people think fuel injected are better than gas, but I'll tell you what, they're not. No, they're quite good. I've only got half a tank or so on this, and there's no way. Like, I've used half a tank out in a whole day once, and that was in the sand.
Yeah.
It's all back at the end of the day. That's how much we're driving it, and we're giving it arseholes.
Yeah, that has a big bearing on it too.
Yeah, and that's sand's hard work, mate. Four-wheel drive and soft sand.
Yeah.
And that's 12 litres. So we spent 12 litres in a day. That was sort of like 10 o'clock to about 4 o'clock in the summertime.
Yeah. Well, so it'd be quite a lot more than what we're using. I think the old Igers have got about a 12 litre tank. We get about 10 k's to the litre, we reckon. It's probably getting on to double that.
Yeah, well, if you're a two-wheel drive and you're putting around like Grandma Hartman Clements and you're in high.
Yeah, but for 6 or 8 months of the year, that's all we do because it's dry.
Yeah.
You don't need four-wheel drive, you know what I mean?
So I'm at low at the moment, but it's just idles. That's the mount, that's the normal sound.
So switch